Oh my gosh, my hair. Wow. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna put my mirror back here so I can make sure that I'm recording. My name is Crampton. If you're new here, hello. For today's video, I want to unbox my BoxyCharm. This got here several days ago. If my camera would continue recording, that would be really cool. I put my mirror back here so I could see if it was recording or not, and then I had been talking for many minutes and hadn't noticed that it wasn't recording. Anyway, so this got here several days ago. I've just been really busy, haven't had a chance to look at it. I know nothing about what's inside. Let's get into our BoxyCharm. If you haven't subscribed already, I sure hope that you will do so. My upload schedule has been very consistent, surprisingly. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, with the occasional weekend video, and I hope it will continue to be consistent into the future. And if you guys want to see what I got in my September BoxyCharm, then just keep on watching. I'm sorry if I'm looking over you, I just have to make sure that my phone is still recording, because it stopped recording. We've got the menu. I don't know what the technical term is for this. Wildflower, apparently. I don't know if that's the brand. Bunch of beautiful women. And then the list of things that we have in the box. First we have a Laura Geller Baked Blush and Bright in the shade Tropic Hues. I've never used anything from Laura Geller. It's very pricey, in my opinion. Is this a blush? Sorry, there are planes. Boys are playing games. The fan's on. I'm sorry if it's really noisy. Add a gorgeous glowy flush to your cheeks with this baked blush. Stunning swirls of liquid pigments are baked in Italy for 24 hours on terracotta tiles and hand finished into a silky dome of powder. This smooth and long-wearing formula is paraben-free and infused with skin-loving antioxidants. This blush retails for $28. Is it a sparkly blush though? I hate sparkly blushes. Oh. It is. It is a very sheeny blush. It's really pretty. I'm sorry, I've swatched that on the complete side that you can't even see. It's this pink stripe here. I feel like I'm the only person in the world who hates glitter blushes, and it's very frustrating. Well, I really kind of dug in on that one. That would be a really pretty eyeshadow, actually. Let's see. I keep putting these like in the contours of my body. It'd be a really pretty eyeshadow. I just hate glitter blushes. Glittery and sheeny blushes drive me crazy. Butter London Glazin Lustrous Liner. Define and shine with Glazin Lustrous Liner, a soft metallic long wear liquid liner that glides on with effortless precision. Crafted with a liquid luster complex, this weightless liner contains radiant sparkle to enhance eyes with a super fine shine. So this is what it looks like. Butter London, again, is very... Is Butter London a price? Yeah, Butter London's a fairly pricey... It's on the prestige side of the store. Oh, Shake Me Up, it says on the back. I haven't used a liquid liner, like a potted liquid liner, in a long time. Super, super fine. Not opaque black. It's kind of watery. Nope. No, not excited. We have a lipstick. I believe this is a lipstick, or is this a liquid lipstick? This is a liquid lipstick, but it looks like a lipstick. That's really cool packaging, like A+ on packaging. Like you kind of want to pull it here, but it twists open and has a wand. That's a really cool idea. I really like that. This is from Hank and Henry liquid lipstick. Have your cake and wear it too. This frosting scented long-wear liquid lipstick glides on smoothly while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserve. Oh my gosh, that... Yum! I mean, it's got the, like, lipstick undertone, but there's definitely some buttercream frosting over the top. Yummy! It's highly pigmented and dries to a stunning full coverage matte finish that never dries your lips and never transfers. Let's test that, shall we? I want to eat it. It smells so good. It also smells like my body wash. Uh-oh, overdraw. I like the color. It's kind of a terracotta nude, right? It's fairly comfortable. Let's give it a second before we test if it's really transfer proof. It still feels a little sticky. It is not transfer proof. And I feel like I let it sit for long enough. It's really pretty though. I like it. Oh, and there's an owl on it! There's an owl! It looks like, he who knows 10,000 things. From, Avatar. What's his name? Devin! What's the owl's name in Avatar? Wan Shitan? Wan Shitan. It looks like Wan Shitan, he who knows 10,000 things. We have from Alamar Cosmetics. In my first BoxyCharm, I got their eyeshadow palette. Gabby, I think she's the owner of Alamar Cosmetics, but she also works for BoxyCharm. This is a set of 3 brushes. The Ojitos? I don't speak Spanish. I have taken many Spanish classes. I don't speak Spanish. These brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids, while the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together. The flat, tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application on your lash lines. This set retails for $18. They are way soft, so super soft. This is a very large, fluffy blending brush. I'm excited to try these. I don't really need new brushes though, because I got the Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush set, and I love them. I'll link that video up here so you can see my full face using that set. But you can never have too many brushes, in my opinion. And they're super cute too. Really pretty. The last thing is the palette. BoxyCharm always gives you a palette. This is the Nightingale eyeshadow palette from Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics. I love birds. Love birds. Made up of 12 highly pigmented shades, the Nightingale palette is sure to help you create your best looks. The matte, shimmer, and satin shades are soft in texture, and the luxuriously smooth formula makes for easy blending and long wear. This palette retails for $35. Let's see what she looks like. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen! It's a little bird cage. Here's something that people should know about birds. Round cages, such as this, are very bad for birds. It's very stressful for them. Birds like corners. If you have a bird that's in a round cage, you need to get a different cage. Okay? No round cages. Anyway, it looks like a mostly cool toned palette. I don't have a lot of cool toned palettes. Why is my mom texting me? Sorry. Clutch. Break Free. And I Spy. Whoa. 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 Beautiful. Okay. I like them. And it comes with a good mirror. Good for makeup. Are you ready? Are you ready for the peelies? That's the best part of anything, is being able to peel. I've left red all over. This palette's gonna get really dirty from swatches. It's really cute though. That is my BoxyCharm for September. Let's see, for a rating out of 5, I'm gonna give it 3. 3 out of 5. I don't really care about the liner, and the blush is way too sparkly for me. Pretty sure every time I get a blush I say that, because I hate sparkly blushes that much. Oh, I'm holding up an eyeliner. I'm an idiot. That doesn't belong in this brush set. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel before you go, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Welcome back. My name is Laura Crampton. The flat liner, the Nightingale palette is, and the luxurious, and that's my BoxyCharm. Sorry, I'm just waving around a paper towel. Also, thanks for watching. I don't mean to seem ungrateful. I don't know, what the hell is wrong with you?